Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for joining us on Weather Plus. It's that time again. We're going to check out the GFS model, the upper levels of the atmosphere coming up over the next several days. We're going to start with Saturday afternoon. We've been in a warm pattern, and we were going to stay in the warm pattern, it looks like, for quite some time. The pattern has finally changed. We're seeing a little bit of troughing into parts of the northern and northwestern U.S. all that time. We are seeing a bit of a ridge setting up along the southeastern seaboard, kind of a Bermuda type of a high. And with that high sitting in there, that will keep a southwesterly flow going. That looks like for the foreseeable future. It's a very typical summertime pattern. That 588 line that we like to look at for heat, basically riding up right through Pennsylvania. And that will keep temperatures at or above average for quite some time. Also a dry pattern as well. It looks like mainly just weak fronts going to try and move into our ridge of high pressure. But they're not going to have a whole lot of luck. Every once in a while, maybe one will swing through with a couple of storms, briefly lower the humidity before it comes back the very next day. We'll get into Sunday afternoon. Nice little ridge of high pressure, like I said, sitting off the east coast. That 588 line still sitting right through the middle of Pennsylvania. Here's our first, perhaps, light chance of a little bit of thunderstorm activity. It's a form of a cold front moving through parts of the Great Lakes by the time we get into Sunday afternoon. By Monday, that front edges just a little bit closer, but it already starts to break down. We could see a storm here or there as we kick off the new week, but they will be very widely scattered indeed. Don't look for a lot of rain in this pattern. Like I said, it's very typical summertime weather. By the time we get to Tuesday, like I said, that ridge quickly reestablishes itself along the east coast. It's back to the hot and humid conditions quickly as we head into the middle part of the new week. And like I said, that little bit of troughing heading into parts of the middle of the U.S. will keep our ridge intact, and the ridge builds even further, poking up into parts of Canada by the time we get to Wednesday.